Welcome to the Food Psychology channel. We provide quick informative videos related to healthy food choices. Want to learn which are the most healthy oils to eat? Find out about healthy cooking oils that can be used at high heat or to fry with. Let's look at some of the best healthy oils to eat on the planet. Extra virgin olive oil is not refined and is extracted by machine only. It has a low smoke point though. It is high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and has antioxidants and polyphenols that fight cell damage. But many extra virgin olive oils you get in the supermarket are not authentic as there are no regulations in labeling olive oils in some countries. Check the ingredient list as sometimes olive oil can be mixed with soybean oil. Good olive oils should be made from olives from a single country. Always check the harvest date to get the freshest oil. Good olive oil should have a golden color, is cloudy, and should come in a dark green bottle or metal tins to slow oxidation. Virgin olive oil is also good, but pure and light olive oils are chemically processed. Buy if possible virgin, cold-pressed, and unfiltered olive oil from local specialty stores. Sesame oil contains sesamol and sesamin, which are powerful antioxidants. Like extra virgin olive oil, sesame oil is unrefined and mostly expeller pressed. It has medium to high smoke point and is a great unrefined flavorful oil. Avocado oil contains the highest monounsaturated fat content as well as vitamin E and is not chemically processed. Avocado oil has a high smoke point, is neutral in flavor but is expensive. Flaxseed and walnut oils are rich in omega-3s but have a low smoke point. They are very fragile and cannot be heated. They need refrigeration. If you want to learn about similar topics, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell to see new videos. Please like and share the video on social media. Grass-fed butter contains vitamin A, E, K2, and is rich in healthy fats with powerful health benefits. To avoid burning, you can use clarified butter or ghee. Coconut oil is 90% saturated fat and rich in a fatty acid called lauric acid, which can improve cholesterol and help kill bacteria and other pathogens. Virgin coconut oil contains 60% medium-chain fatty acids or MCTs, which bypass the lymphatic system. They go directly to the liver for energy production. Buy virgin and cold-pressed unrefined coconut oil. Processed canola and palm oils are bad for you because they use a lot of chemicals which depletes mineral content. But cold-pressed and unprocessed canola and red palm oil are good as they have heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and omega-3s but can be difficult to find. Cold-pressed safflower oil also has high monounsaturated fats and has a high smoke point. Hence a good buy. Sunflower oil has very high vitamin E, but it also has high omega-6s which are inflammatory. You can use sunflower oil in moderation. Mustard oil is also a great option if you can find it. Vegetable oil, a blend of corn, soybean, sunflower, safflower, and palm oils, and peanut oils are highly processed. So always avoid vegetable oil. Always know the smoking point of the oil you are using. A high smoking point means that oil can be heated to higher temperatures. The smoking point of some of the above-mentioned oils are safflower oil 510 degrees Fahrenheit, ghee 450 degrees Fahrenheit, avocado and canola oil 400 degrees F, sesame oil 350 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, coconut oil and grass-fed butter 350 degrees Fahrenheit, extra virgin olive oil 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Always vary your cooking oil and make sure you get saturated, monounsaturated and omega-3 rich fats. In summary, best cooking oils are extra virgin or virgin olive oil, sesame oil, avocado oil, grass-fed butter or ghee, unrefined coconut, canola, palm, safflower oil. In conclusion, unprocessed oils are always better for your health compared to highly refined oils. Knowledge is power, so take tiny steps each day for holistic changes. Take care of your body by understanding what you are putting into it. Please comment which cooking oil you use and will you switch to unrefined oils. Was the video useful? Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to see new videos. Remember that your health is the most important asset in your life. Money cannot buy health all the time. Do not keep your health in others' hands. Follow us on social media. Check the video description to find links. Thanks for watching.